This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah, very good morning to all. This is Chandra Kumar, the new dedicated placement manager. So today we like to discuss the placement process and other information. Okay, so by the way, DPM means dedicated placement manager. So who's your dedicated placement manager is Chandra Kumar. Okay, so until a new manager comes for a Bangalore location, I'm just going to take care for Bangalore and other locations also. So we will give the information that when you shift to the Bangalore also or any other. Okay. So by the time a new manager has arrived or something like that, you will be under my thing. Fine. So what I have decided is like I wanted to make all the communication happen through WhatsApp group because when I get any requirement or any other things, I cannot call up individually or it will be reach time taking process to reach individual person. For example, there's a requirement for some company. They need immediate response by 2 hours that number of learners interested for this particular tab. Okay, for a particular job. So that no, I cannot call 100 people, 200 people in my bucket and able to do it. So what I've decided, I've added everybody into one of the placement WhatsApp group that is called EduBitch Placement Hyderabad, Amirpet, Hyderabad. DPM. Okay, here how to join this particular WhatsApp group. We have a group. I'm just sharing this in the chat window. So you can also join by clicking this and joining this particular WhatsApp group. Okay, I'm just sharing it right away. So after joining, what will be discussed in this particular thing is all the new tabs. What is a tab? Talent acquisition form. Means it is a job, which is, which we got it from the EduBridge. Okay. So at any job requirement comes from EduBridge, we call it as tab. So this tab, you will be updated in the WhatsApp group only. Suggestions will be discussed here. Any queries are there, you can discuss here. If you like to have any solutions, issues on need to be updated in this group only. Okay. For example, there is an interview scheduled. So we will give you information about the interview schedule in this group so that now you can cross check and you can just reply in the same group that I'm going to attend. Sir, I have this problem, I'm far away, whatever it is there. You can also give some suggestions to it, or if there is something like, for example, client may ask us, this is a job. Tomorrow we have an interview for a company called Edico. There are 15% line, 15 people line up. So I'll share up this 15 people to attend. So if you just reply that if client asks me how many are coming for tomorrow, then I should have a quick answer to the client that 10 people are coming, 12 people are coming, or 8 people are coming. So that now if you just quickly reply us, I'll just make a note and I can give the response to the client immediately. Okay, now so that they can make some arrangements on it. Okay, so and whenever we get any new tab, what is new tab? Job. So we will add in the group and we'll also give explanation about particular tab if it required. Okay, so how we can able to get what is the company, what is the job. So we'll also discuss in further now, no issues. So for all the online mock sessions, counseling sessions also be informed here and also conducted by information here. So uh, then you also know what is student elite, right? Learner portal. What is a learner portal? Wherever you join, where you can see your profile and other things. Where today we are going to see how to apply your course details, learn by yourself, course completion, assessments, how to prepare your resumes, how to apply jobs or tabs, profile updates, tabs, placement rating, and other ratings. So we will just go through this particular thing. So the other point I wanted to discuss is when you can apply for a tab. Okay, you can apply for a tab when you minimum complete 50% of the course completion. Okay, I think your batch started last 20-25 days ago. By the time you have been completed now 30 to 35% of the syllabus. How we can say it is 50% completed when you complete your MLAT. Okay, when you have MLAT, that is considered as your 50% of the completion. After completion of your 50%, then you will have the option to apply for a job. And other thing is like you should also maintain 70% of the attendance, and you need to complete 100% of the assessments where it is there in the elite. Okay, so tabs available in the left panel of the My Jobs. I'll just go through this and make sure your resume should be perfect with all the details like number, location, percentages, relocation, all the education details, pass out year, technical skills, and all the other important what client required. Okay, as per the client required or as per the job requirement, you need to maintain your resume very neatly. We'll also show you how to apply for a tab. After applying, just note down the details in one of the place that what tabs you've applied, because after applications has been received, the applications will go to the DPM. So DPM is who is your DPM? That DPM may give you a call to check the resume matching with the, we review the resume matching with the client requirement. For example, your resume says that it is your local from Hyderabad, but you applied for a tap in Mumbai. But dedicated placement manager will cross check that are you able to relocate to the Mumbai or not, or is it resume the client is asking for some technical requirements, and is that requirement is matching in the resume or not. That will be cross checked. If everything is fits well, then it will be submitted to the client, and client will issue us a scheduled date on time for an interview that will be updated in the elite, and information will also be shared to you, and then your final interview completes, and then you'll be getting this offer letter or the other process. Okay, I think I'm very clear till here. Do you people have any query? Let me go to the next screen. Yes, can I have a quick reply, yes or no? I'm clear to everybody. A quick single yeah, thank you. I'm just going for the next step, that how to log in into your elite. Okay, yeah, I think everybody knows about the EduBridge login. I'm able to show you the new page, right? Are you able to see the web page with EduBridge login? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So here I have a default user ID and password. I'm just inserting my user ID and password. Whenever you log in this, this is called the EduBridge dashboard. What it is called? EduBridge dashboard. I think this is having some technical issues. I'll just close it. I'm just re-logging in again. Okay, I'm just going for the dashboard because I already logged in. I'm just going for a dashboard. So whenever you go for a dashboard, you see this category of turn off your virtual background. Okay, is it very clear? The background, everything? Are you able to see the picture very clearly? The page very clearly? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So here, this learner have registered for these are all courses, okay? But when you see in your bucket, you'll all, I think you're from CG AWS, so you can only see AWS program, okay? So this will be the all courses. When you click this, then you'll have the assessments which are there. So first, what I said is like you need to complete all the assessment. So here you should unlock and complete all the assessments, okay? You need to start the session, complete all these things. Fine. This is the first step. Second step, you need to complete all the assessments which are aligned here. Make sure that 100% of the assessment should be completed. Okay. So these are the first two steps you need to cross check and complete. So all the courses, if it is completed, then it is fine. Okay. Then second part is like building your resume. Okay. To build your resume, there are two things. One, you can create your own resume or you can upload your resume. So it is better you create your resume and upload the resume also. But whatever you see that is good, then you can make that resume as a default. So this resume, if you want, you can set as a default. Okay, this should be this should be strict. Okay, so how to create a resume? You need to go here, just enter all the details. Do not leave any details, just enter all the details. Okay, while preparing the resume, mention that in metro cities. Okay, why? Because a tab will come mostly for a metro cities. For example, you stay in very rural area, but still you need to mention some metro cities. Why? Because the HR from the other end could not know the location. Okay, he will not have time to find in the Google, go for Google and find the location. So mention that you are from metro cities, and you also inform that you are ready to relocate for different metro places, metro city places. Why? Because most of the 80 to 85% of the jobs available will be at the metro cities like Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi. Okay, these are the metro places where you can able to travel. So you need to fill all these things. If you have any work experience, also you need to fill the work experience part. Education also you need to fill it. Okay, here it is there, like education percentages, grad and everything, grade and percentages. Just you need to fill everything related to this. Your trainer also will give you information that how to fill it, what are the technical skills you have to keep it. So once your resume is done, you can able to review it, and then you can able to check the resume in this way. Okay, just going back, the resume looks like this. I'm just opening it for your sake. Okay, just check the review of the things has been suitable or not. Then finally you confirm that resume is a default resume. If you think that resume is not as per the standard you think, then upload your resume either in the Word format or in a PDF format, and after coming here you can make that resume as a default. Okay, this is all about the resume. You need to understand how you can make the default resume. Okay, the next you need to you will have, so you need to attend for a applying for a job, right? What is a tab, right? So where tabs are available, you should able to see a column here in the left side which is called my jobs. When you go for my jobs, you have dashboard, explore job, and my applications. Okay, so dashboard also consists of explore jobs and my application. If I just go for here, you can see explore job, which is also a replica here, my application, which is also a replica here. Okay, so when you explore a job, you can also explore from here, or you can explore from jobs from here. Okay, there are two categories of job. One is recommended job, another is okay, one is recommended job, another is primary job. Okay, preferred job, preferred tab, recommended tab, and recommended tab and preferred tab. Okay, preferred tab will not have the blue color button called blue color information that it is a, so recommended jobs are more relevant to you. We can say 95% relevant to you. You can just check this and then start applying for it. Okay, this is a demo account we just made some as a, okay, so for example, how to read a tab? Just go for a tab, click on this. You can see what is a tab, which is the title, which is called Java Full Stack Developer. What is the company name? It is called Edico Systems Private Limited. Experience? No, it's not require any experience. What is the salary package? It starts from 2.1 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. Where is the location? It is in Hyderabad, Telangana. You need to start immediately if you get a job. Then they'll give the company description, what is Adico company, what is tie up with this, what are the important things that who are eligible for this. Okay, eligibility here starts with B Tech, ME, MTech, MCA learners can apply. 22 23 pass outs only. And what it requires, full bond, 3 years, everything you need to go through this. Okay, what are the roles and responsibility? Also, you can go through this. What is the skill required is also you need to go through this. Like, it's require object oriented, no SQL. If you did not mention hibernate in your resume, then it gets rejected. Okay, it gives some negative impact on it. Make sure that whatever skills required in the thing should be also available in the resume side. Okay, and you should also have some skills like RESTful API, GAT, and everything. Okay, qualification anyway they have mentioned on the top. Okay, if for suppose BSc candidate is applying for this, then the applications gets rejected because client is only looking for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and MCA. So if you are from BSc, please do not apply for it because anyway it gets rejected. What are the number of openings here? 10. Okay, and what are the process of interview? It is HR screening, group discussion, technical screening, final discussion, and HR coding and coding and HR round. Okay, how to apply here? Just click this, then you will be getting a window where it will ask some questions. Okay, there will be questions like current location, other job location. Then you need to fill those and then submit that particular application. Then that application will come to the DPM. Then DPM will check the thing and it will go for, then it will be added in my applications. Okay, where are my applications? Here. When you click this, whatever you apply, it will come to my application. Then you can see the review, what happened. It is on hold, profile did not select, rejected in the aptitude test or whatever it is there. Interview scheduled. So you'll be getting in this way. If you get interview schedule, you can see the schedule on which date there is an interview. Okay, and what? This information will be available here. Please go through it every day twice so that now you can able to check what is the review updated which is not updated. Okay, then you can also see if all the interviews are scheduled. You can also just check any calendar, like if it is online interview or other interviews, offline interview, the calendar will be displayed here. The so and so day you have an interview. You can also check the calendar. If you find any difficulty in applying or they get some error in applying, then you can also go for raising a ticket. Okay, you can talk to the trainer. If it is not resolved, you can talk to the DPM manager. If it is not resolved, we can able to go for a ticket raising for any kind of issues. Okay, this will be the one of the part. Okay, so till now, any queries do you have, learners? A quick yes or no from your end.
Sir,
Yes, Tejasvi, please tell me.
so recently I have quit my job in layoff sir, in
Okay,
other domain.
okay.
Is it make any sense for applying a new job as a fresher, sir? Because it is not an IT job, it's a non-IT job. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, no issues. See, there are some 102 tabs available in this particular window, right? In this window, mostly people start because we do not have IT jobs in the market. So mostly they'll have technical support job. So just check whatever job is very relevant to you. For example, there is a job for job shop AI. Okay, so what is the salary here? It is 2.2 to 3 lakh per annum. It is in Bangalore. It is immediately joining. No experience required. Okay, see, as a fresh, as a see, EduBridge is giving a support 95% for freshers. Okay, and
Okay.
we expose that it is for only freshers. Okay, if a
Okay.
client requests that they see, we only reach the client that we have 95% of pool with freshers. Okay, so you
Okay.
would be getting 95% of chances as a fresher, but if client is requesting that I want 1 year experience, 2 year experience, we'll also push this recommended people to the other place. Okay, so don't worry on it, but think in your brain that you will be getting a job as a fresher only. Why? Because as per
Okay.
the CSR projects, we have to inbound to give a job. This is for a first job. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So keep it in line, and if you see the salary is good, okay, for some
Okay.
companies may pay from 4 lakh to 6 lakhs per annum. So it will be a good package to you, right? So as a fresher, you
Okay.
can able to join. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Yeah. So this is also another tab. You can go through the tab which the client is going to ask you. What are the skill required is also very given very clearly. What is the qualification required also very given very clearly. What is other benefits you get, like cab facility only for night shift, PF, what are the openings, face-to-face interview. Okay, for example, here what happens is like the interview location, where is the interview, where it is located in Bangalore, but Hyderabad learner wanted to attend this thing, and he mentions that he's staying in Hyderabad. So this resume gets rejected because they are looking for Bangalore people. But if you mention in your resume as Hyderabad, then it will be matching with the JD, right? Okay. The next thing, what I wanted to tell you is like you need to also complete your profile. So go to my profile, which is there in the home. Okay, then in the middle, then you'll have go to my profile. Then you have all the things, like all the information should be filled, like other alternate number, PAN number. Okay, then you have family background, everything need to be filled, education details need to be filled. Just check all that details are correct and perfect. Work experience, if you have, you write it up. If you have LinkedIn profile link also, please update the LinkedIn profile, because this is making more impressive for the jobs. Okay, and interested jobs and password logging, whatever it is there. Okay, in my jobs, I wanted to discuss that there are two things here. Okay, one thing, see if this meeting disconnect, rejoin again. Okay, we are also tied with talent.com. Okay, where talent.com has some of the requirements. You can directly apply from talent.com. All the job opportunities are also displayed here. Okay, there is an option here, Adobe job, talent job. Okay, finally what I wanted to tell you is like you have in the bottom you have an image here. Okay, when you click this image, you'll be getting the share your experience. So you can share your experience in later on also, like rate your experience, rate your experience, rate your experience. Okay, this resume builder, if you found good, then you can also rate and this everything in perfectly. Okay, so I think I'm very clear with this part. Do you have any queries still here? Okay, now I'll just stop this.